Who has question?
Hello, Gurudev.
Huh?
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was sannyasi in Jagannath Puri, he used to go to Jagannath temple to have darshan of Lord Jagannath every day. And my question is, how is the difference between the mood when he every day goes to Jagannath temple to have darshan of Lord Jagannath, and the mood when he is in the Rath Yatra seeing Lord Jagannath in the chariot?
How gopis they met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. You know, Kurukshetra Milan. When gopis they met with Krishna in Kurukshetra, and that mood of Srimati, that's the mood of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when he every day used to go take darshan to Jagannath, then that time he is thinking, I am now meeting with Krishna. Two things here. Kurukshetra Milan, that is called after long separation. That Sanskrit word that is called Sudirgha Vipralambha. Then meeting and with her beloved Krishna. This mood is there. Rath Yatra means this. And Sanskrit word saying that is called Sudirgha Vipralambha, then Milan. When after long separation, lover and beloved they meeting together, that is your highest separation mood coming. Even the meeting, separation mood coming. And for this regard, Rath Yatra, this mood is coming. Srimati Radhika, how she blamed to Krishna. Yesterday I told how much you accept, that is your depend on you. And Srimati Radhika, she in her man, that time her man dasha coming. Understand? Then man dasha coming, Srimati Radhika, she asked to Krishna, why did you leave us? And we completely sacrifice everything for you. And so why did you leave us? And this is the man dasha coming. So this man dasha is that is called the Vipralambha bhav. Because when the Vipralambha, four things are there. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema Vaichitta. So in this separation, Vipralambha, this man is coming. But they are meeting together. Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna. But this man is coming. Why Srimati Radhika did man with Krishna? Why did you leave us? And what is your fault? That time Srimati Radhika, she asked. Because where is the pure love? Love is never separate to each other. Yesterday Bengali verse I also told. Jodi hoy jog, kobu na hoy biyog. Biyog hoile tabisa na jiyoy. And so if the lover and beloved meet together, that will never separate. Or if separate, they cannot survive their life. And so for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she asked this also. And why did you leave us? This is the main question of Srimati Radhika. And why? What is your fault? That time Krishna told, yesterday I told, Krishna told, hey Radhe, this is not my fault. The Kal is very powerful. Krishna acting the role as like an human being. And Krishna is Bhagavan. But he is acting the role as a human being. And so Krishna give an example. Our meeting and separation, that is not depend on our hand. everything depends on, and there's the Kal. Kal is very powerful. Kal understand time. And so every time we are saying that time and circumstance is very powerful in our life. What do you say? Time and circumstance. And time and circumstance very powerful in our life also. In our time coming, circumstance coming, that time you are thinking he is my friend. Or time and circumstance you are thinking he is my enemy. It is coming this way. And because this is the nature of this material world. So Krishna now acting this role as like human being. Krishna is saying, this is not my fault. We are meeting and we also separate. How? This is our circumstance and time. So yesterday Krishna gave an example. If you put the one bundle of grass in the stream of the river, then you can see after a few minutes all the bundle of grass going together, floating on the water. Then after a few minutes, all the grass automatically split, going this and going this way, left, red, east, west, they going this. Then after a few minutes, then you can see they are going different way, going to the ocean. And when they going to the ocean, we don't know they will meet together or not. But sometimes by chance, some also grass again also meet together. So in the same way, Krishna told to the gopis, "Hey gopis, why you are angry with me? This is not my fault." And according to the Kal, we are meeting together, and according to the Kal, we also separate. But one thing there, I will never forget you, or you also never forget me. Mai bhakti bhutanang amrit tattva kalpate japsin amadasin bhavtinang madapana. Krishna told, Mai bhakti bhutanang amrit tattva kalpate. Krishna told, if anybody perform devotional service to me, bhakti, that is called amrit, nectar. But what is nectar? Because if anybody practice Suddha Bhakti, and he will attend to me, and he will attain my abode, dham, and he will never fall down from my abode. As like Gita also Krishna says, Jadgatva no nivartante tad dhamam paramam mama. And if we attend to Lord, he will never separate, and never will fall down from there also. So Krishna, Mai Bhakti Bhutanang Amrityata Kalpate. What is the next line? Just it all. Mai Bhakti Bhutanang Amrityata Kalpate Jatsasin Matsino Bhavatinang Madapana. But one thing is that all you are meet with me. Why? Because you love me, and I also love you. Because you never forget me, I never also forget you. Love is this way. Love means is what? Love is they never forget to each other. So the Krishna says, and especially your love and affection with me, that is got deep anurag towards me. So he is saying this word, the matsneho bhavatinang madapana. What say? Matsneho. Your love and affection, sneho means love and affection with me. That is called madapan. You are thinking, I am belongs to you. I also think this way. Because love is coming not one way. Love is coming from two ways. So you love me, I love you. This is the thing. And your love is very high, Krishna says. Because I am Bhagavan. Because my love and affection spread everywhere. You understand? Because Bhagavan, he loves to everybody. Even the small devotees, he will never give up. Who is that? Opiche suracharo bhajate mang anannavako. Sadhureva samantava sammoga vyavasite isa. Kipram davati, Kipram bhavati dharmatma. So in this Gita's verse also saying this way. Krishna is Bhagavan or not? He is Bhagavan. So for this regard, Krishna is saying, and my love many pointed, and as like sun and the rays of sun. And sun is one. Or how many rays of the sun? Innumerable. Ananta Surya Rasmi. But all the rays of sun, they centralized with the sun. Understand? Going to the sun. Or sun, that same sun is going to, his ray is going to everywhere. Just this example, try to understand. So that means Krishna explained here, Gopi, listen to, I am Bhagavan. Mai bhakti bhutana amritat kalpate. So, my love, and that is called spread everywhere. But your love and affection, one pointed with me. You understand? Krishna, he will be never one pointed with any his devotee. Possible? He loves to everybody. From small devotee to higher devotee. This is the nature, Lord. But Krishna told, hey Gopi, your love and affection, one pointed with me. Krishna will be never one pointed with anyone. Because he is Bhagavan. Tattva vichar, try to understand. Philosophy is this. Our devotees, they can one pointed. And you understand? Guru never one pointed his one disciple. Father, mother, their love and affection, not one pointed is one son or daughter. Automatically his prem going in there. But sons and daughters, they all their love and affection towards their parents. Many examples is giving this way. This is to so in the same way Krishna told, so Krishna used these words, Matsnyo Bhavatina Madapano. Your love and affection is higher than me. Because all you are thinking, I am belongs to you. Gopi, you are thinking, Krishna belongs to me. Especially Srimati Radhika. So you study one is Gita Sneha and it's called Madhu Sneha. So Gopi's prem, especially Srimati Radhika and her group, Paksha, that is called Madhu Sneha. Chandravali and their love and affection with Krishna, that is called Gita Sneha. Sneha, love and affection as like ghee. So for this Krishna is saying, so all you have come here because you have love and affection with me. I have love and affection with you. This is true. So for this regard, I have come from Dwarkapuri to Kurukshetra, or you have come from Vrindavan to Kurukshetra here. So this is the main thing is this way. So Krishna said this word. Then Gopi become very angry. Why Gopi they angry? Because Krishna used this word. Mahi bhakti bhutanang amritat kalpate. I am Bhagavan. So how you will be remember to Bhagavan? You meditate to Lord. Meditation. Understand? Without meditation, you cannot attain your perfection goal. That is called dhyan. Dhyan yoga. And we are doing dhyan or not meditate. When we chant your Gayatri mantra adi. Meditate, close your eyes, do this. Why meditate? First you concentrate your mind to free from all kinds of material and material things. Detach from the material thing. Otherwise you cannot meditate to Lord. Meditation means how to concentrate your mind, your Istadeva. So Krishna, in this way, Krishna told to the gopis, hey Krishna, listen. Hey, his gopis, listen. You are feeling separation from me. Why? Because you are thinking I am not with you. Actually, I am staying everywhere. Yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, they are thinking Paramatma, super soul, resides everywhere. Where is not super soul? Paramatma. You understand? So yogis, they never feel any separation from Lord. So Krishna, in this verse, actually Krishna tried to tell to the gopis, say, why you are feeling separation from me? And you meditate on it. Then your separation will not come. Everywhere you can see Paramatma, super soul, I am there. Everywhere Paramatma, super soul. Bhagavad Darshan. Do you understand? When Gopi they told this, when Krishna told these things, Gopi become very angry. Well, you are teaching to us how to meditate your lotus feet. Are you give this instruction to Brahmaji? Brahmaji, he wants to deliver from this material world. Our gopis, they don't want to deliver from this world. The gopis, they are saying. So for this, we don't want to meditate your lotus feet. Brahmaji meditated your lotus feet. Why? Because he to deliver from this material world. So yesterday I told this katha also. Yaddapi samadhisu vidirapi pasvati natava nakhagra marichi. Brahmaji sometimes in the meditation, Krishna's lotus feet sometimes manifest, sometimes not in his heart. Our gopis said, when you just think about your lotus feet, then our heart melted. Why? Because when you chasing behind the cows, then our heart melted. Well, how possible you will walk in the path of what is called pasture land, you know, Kocharan Bhumi. Pasture land, understand? Where the cows are grazing, cow grazing field.
Where the grass?
Where the cows are grazing, cow grazing field. Because there are many also stones is there. So Chalasi Jada Braja Charana Pasun Noni no Sundaram Natati Padam Silatinam Kuri Sidatiti no Kalilata Manam Kanta Gachasi. That time Gopis also become very upset. So you are now teaching to us how to meditate your lotus feet. Those who are fallen in the kupa, on the kupa, Maya, then you can give the instruction to them. Those who are in this Andakupa. Andakupa, this material world is called Andakupa. Dark, deep
Wow.
waterless oil. So Shastra saying, give the instruction to them. Jnana Yog and different Yog teach to them how to deliver from this material world. Or Gopi is saying, we are not Andakupa. Andakupa means is what? Dark, deep, waterless. All means is what? Attachment with the family member. Actually, that is called Andakupa. Gopi is saying, we have no attachment with our family member. You understand? Gopis, they have no attachment, no asakti with their family. Gopi is saying this way. So why did you tell to us, you meditate and if the meditate your lotus feet, then you will deliver from this material world. Why did you say this? Eh? So Krishna Kaviraj Goswami Gopis also told this katha. Log hasai hamaro. Are you don't know how to give the instruction to whom? Eh? Understand? These are the things. Very nice, this mood of Rathayatra mood, this. Especially Srimati Radhika, she complained to Krishna. Why you are staying in here? Please come Vrindavan. Then sometimes humble, sometimes very aggressive mood, harsha, garva, all kinds of, what is called, sanchari bhav manifest in their heart. 33 types of sanchari bhav. Garva, harsha, daina. Garva means very proud. Harsha means so much jubilant. And harsha, daina, sometimes very humble. Sometimes ugra, sometimes very aggressive mood. All the opposite word. They express it. So, Rathayatra, this is the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is the mood of Srimati Radhika. Or you are saying that every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is to go darshan to Jagannath. That is the simple mood. Sometimes Aishwarya Bhav, or sometimes Madhurya Bhav. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking darshan Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. That is the Aishwarya mood. Now he is that. These things. Or sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only took darshan Jagannath. When Krishna Varinandan Samsundar. And Vigraha Nagatami Sakshat Brajendra Nandan. This mode is coming. So every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go take darshan to Lord Jagannath. That's another mode. A Rathayatra mode, the highest mode. Though meeting, but feeling separation. Understand this? This is the this mode is coming. And some then Krishna told, just I told, I have know this. I am Bhagavan, so Krishna first tried to explain the I am Bhagavan, and then Gopi become very angry. So the Auschate Nulinava, Padar Vindam Jogeshwari Hriday Vichinto Agada Voidai, Sangsara Kupa Patito Uttaravan Avalammanam. These slokas Gopi criticize to Krishna. So why did you give these types of instruction to us? This instruction you give to Brahmaji. Auschate Nolino Naba Padar Vindam Jogeshwari Hriday Vichinto Agada Bodai. Sangsara Kupa Patito Uttaravalambhanam. Those who are fallen in the Sangsara Kupa. Already I told. So you can give this instruction to how to meditate, you will do respect. So very heavy chastised to Krishna. Then Krishna is very humble, he told, hey Gopis, why are you angry with me? Why I am coming from you? Why I am staying far from you? What is the reason? Then Krishna told this, he told this. Krishna told, first Krishna told Tattva Darshan, Gyan Yog. What is it? Tattva Darshan, Gyan Yog. What is the Gyan Yog? According to the knowledge, Tattva Siddhanta. Just yesterday I told, 5 Tattva you have to learn. Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal and Karma. Ishwar means Bhagavan, who is the controller. Ishwar. Krishna is saying, I am not a controller. Who is controller? Ishwar. Understand? Our meeting separation not in our hand. Ishwar. Jiva, all the living entities, they are part and parcel of Lord. So in this way, Krishna is giving teaching to us. Krishna is Bhagavan. This is true. Our Gopis, they are eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. They are not also Jiva Tattva. They are called which Tattva? Huh? Hari Nitya Parikar, eternal associates. Krishna's Parikar Tattva. Parikar Tattva and Jiva Tattva different. And sometimes people they mix together. Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Siddham, Radha, Lolita, Vishaka, Gopi. All they are called Parikar Tattva. They direct manifested from Krishna's internal potency, Antaranga Sakti. Especially Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she manifests man form. All Sakhi, everything. For further exclusively pleasure for Krishna. Krishna Sukh Hetu. So Srimati Radhika, she manifests man form. That's what. And all Rasa Krishna have to relish. So now coming in this way. So, but here this saying this way, Jiva Tattva. Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti. Prakriti means nature. You know, this is nature. Sometimes hot, sometimes cold coming or no? The nature. Nature always you are changeable and temporary. So Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal, time is very powerful. According to time, sometimes you are saying he is my friend, then according to time you are saying he is my enemy. This is coming this way. According to the time you are rich, sometimes you are poor. Time doing this way. Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal and Karma. According to your karma, good karma, bad karma, you are suffering or enjoying. There are two also karma. One is called Vashti karma, another is called Samashti karma. Becoming this. So many katha is there. Krishna many. Tattva philosophy told the gopis. But gopis more and more become very angry. When Krishna told the Tattva Siddhanta, Gopi, they don't want to listen any Tattva Siddhanta. Understand? Gopi don't want to listen Tattva Siddhanta. Tattva Siddhanta means there is opulence. Oisarja bhav. You understand or not? Where is Tattva Katha, there is opulence. Or Madhurya Katha simple way. Loki Sadbandhuvat Priti. They have love, what is called? They make relationship with Krishna as like the family member. They don't want to listen in Tattva Siddhanta. What will do Tattva Siddhanta? Understand? Brahmaji was saying also, Jnane prayase mudvassa namantaivam jivantim sabatim jivantim Bhavadya Vartam Shruti Vatang Tonumang Novi Ju Prayaso Ajito Jito Vista Isto Lakam. Brahmaji also saying last. Jnane Prayase Mudvassa Namanta Eva. Give up all the endeavors of your Tattva Siddhanta. Tattva Siddhanta what will do? You understand? You are thirsty. So what do you want? Drink water. But water coming, then you ask, tell to me how the water manifests. Hydrogen and oxygen, H2O. Understand? This is Tattva Siddhanta. You are hungry, you are thirsty. What is the Tattva Siddhanta? You will drink the water, you will be satisfied. Satisfied. Survive your thirst. Now you say, who made this water? Where is coming from water? Many tattva is there. So gopis, this is the thing. They don't want what tattva siddhanta. Why you saying to us the tattva siddhanta? We know only things. You are our beloved. Lover and beloved. This is enough. No listen. You understand? Love means this way. Love not looking any Tattva Siddhanta. You understand? But gopis, they know all Tattva Siddhantas. But Their love, when love coming, love not looking any Tattva Siddhanta, no philosophy, nothing. Eh? If you ask the gopis, hey gopis, why did you love to Krishna? What is the qualification of Krishna? Eh? Nothing, useless person, completely. If you ask the gopis, they will say, what is the qualification of Krishna? He is thief, chaura. Eh? Braje prasiddham navanita chauram. From his childhood, he is stealing, chaura. Stupid, nonsense, rascal also. Gopi saying or not? Eh? What is his qualification? He is blackish. Nothing. No qualification. Eh? So, but why Gopi they love to Krishna? If you ask, but this is spontaneous nature. Why we love? Love not depend on any cause. If love depend on any cause, then cause finish, love finish.
Yeah.
So gopis they love to Krishna. There are no any cause. Eh? In this material world, all our love or affection is saying this way. That is your cause is there. So for this regard, our love is called temporary and also what did you say?
Minor.
Changeable. Eh? Look this. Temporary and changeable. Not longer staying also. And change. Any moment in this material, that love will change. Change or not?
Yeah.
Or any moment your love will be destroyed. Destroyable also. We are saying this. This is a material love. But transcendental love will never changeable or never destroyable. And so love, this is the definition of love. Dhangsatva karana opi or dhangsattam. What did he say? Hola. Dhangsatva karana opi. This is Rupa Goswami Padaji. The definition about love. Dhangsatva karana. If the reason will come, cause will come to destroy, that love will be never destroy, also increase more and more. That is called love. Eh? Dhangsatva karana opi or dhangsattam. Eh? This is called transcendental love. Only remember these things. What is it? Dhangsatva karanam. If the cause will come to destroy, that love will never destroy. Also more and more increase. Huh? That is called love. In this material world, if the cause will come, then your love will be destroyed. Huh? Destroy, no? And wealth, money, or and vidya, knowledge, beauty, position, everything is what? Changeable and temporary. Everybody like to whom? Who is very nice, beautiful, useful form. This is a simple way. Gopi Dev tell you these things also. Understand? Psychological effect. If anybody is very beautiful at you are eager to talk with him. Or same person who will become very old. No one to talk. This is true or wrong?
Yeah, that is useful.
Yeah, true. If you have any money, everybody will ask, how are you? How are you? How? Dog. This is true or wrong? This is material love is this way. And if anybody is learned scholar, they will say, how are you, Panditji? Or same person is completely what? Fool. Meaning his brain not working. Who will ask?
Who are you?
Nobody asks. Try to understand this. And if you have any position, minister or the position, you will respect all this. Take the garland and give to him. Take picture. Huh? A same person when he was not in the position, no, I will ask, hey, okay, give respect sometimes. Okay, Haribol. Huh? Try to understand this. These are practical these things. But gopis, they are love and affection with Krishna, saying this way. That is your transcendent. Understand? Krishna always youthful form. Krishna will be never age. What is called? Get old. Navajovanancha. Advaitam achyuto anadi ananto rupam. Addam purano purusang navajovanancha. Vedesu durlabh adurlabh atma bhaktesu. Govindam adi purusam tamaham bhajam. Advaitam achyuto anadi ananta rupam. Look, the Krishna, this is Krishna Tattva, this is very important, this look. Learn this verse. Advaitam achyuto anadi ananta rupam. Addam purano purusam navajovanancha. The word Krishna always is called Navajovanancham. And always young and youthful form. Vedesu durlabh adurlabh. According to the Vedas, you cannot understand to Krishna. Vedesu durlabh adurlabh atma bhaktesu. Atma Jnani, man, Brahma Jnani, they cannot understand about him. So for why gopis, they love to Krishna? Krishna's, they are not looking any qualification of Krishna. Sahaja gopi prem. Gopis, they are love and affection with Krishna. Spontaneous. You understand? So I should told you, if you ask to gopis, why do you love to Krishna? What is the qualification of Krishna? You tell Krishna has no qualification. Niranjan, Nirakar, Nirvisesh, saying also, but many slokas also say, he is called Nirakar, he has no form, Brahma. Nirakar. Nirvisesh, he has no any form. No qualification. But in Tattva Siddhanta, Krishna, Nirakar means Prakita Akara Rohito. Aprakita Akara iti Nirakaro. Nirakar means who has no material form. His form is what? Transcendental form. Where Vedas or any Purana is saying, Lord, he is called Nirakar. Nirakar, two meanings. Nirakar means who has no form. He is called Nirakar. And Nirakar means, second meaning, Nirakar means, what did he say? Who has transcendental form. Not his form is material, no form. His form is called transcendental form. Understand? So Nirakar. Where Vedas is saying, yeah, he has Nirakar, Nirvisesh, Niranjan, they are the things. Actually, there is Krishna's beautiful form, everything is there. Positive is there, negative not. He has no guna, he has nirguna, prakita guna rahita. He has no material qualities. Prakita guna. Why is he saying operative? And we use this word Sanskrit, there is called some upasarga is there. What is called? Suffix.
No, suffix. Suffix.
Suffix also. Ni, akar, nirakar. Nir, akar, nirakar. But he has akar, he has form. But we also, this suffix, use this word, ni. But he has no akar. He has. You are blind, so you are not looking, so he has no form. Understand? Sun, sun has or not? But the owl is saying there are no sun. Owl, understand? What is called owl? Portuguese. Are Puruja na kya?
Oh, yeah.
What is saying?
Puruja.
At night time they can see everything.
Yeah.
But night time no sun arise. So they are saying there are no any sun.
So now exists.
Sun never exists. Many people are saying God never exists. Well, how do you know God never exists?
And I'm saying,
Huh? Well, I have never seen. You have never seen the owl are saying also. Puruja never saying. Puruja saying there are no any sun. This is true or wrong? I tell you. Huh?
yeah.
So those are impartial. They are saying this way also. Lord has no form. How do you know Lord has no form? Lord told to you, yeah, I have no form. And if Lord will tell you, I have no form, He is speaking, so He has a form. You are speaking or not? Eh? So you have form or not? You are speaking with your mouth. Eh? So you have mouth, you have face, everything. Where Vedas are saying the opposite words, actually this is a transcendent. Apani, Pado, Javana, Grahit. He has no legs, but he walks. He has no hands, but he eats with his hands. That means his hand is what? Transcendent.
Ngani sa sakala.
Eh? So now try to understand this way. Tattva Siddhanta. Krishna always is ever face with full form. Eh? You will be never see Krishna's old age. Eh? Have you seen or not? Krishna always is what? Very nice, beautiful, with full form. Huh? Very nice, beautiful, delicious body. Huh? It takes as like Rasgulla. Very nice and delightful. Eh? So, coming in this way, gopis, they also, you ask the gopis, why do you love to Krishna? What is the qualification? Gopis, we have not looking any gopis qualification, Krishna's qualification. But Krishna has qualification this way. Eh? Krishna 64 qualification, but 4 qualifications unique and unparalleled. Rupa Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya and Venu Madhurya. But Gopi is not intoxicated with Krishna's all these qualifications. Gopis, they have love and affection with Krishna. This is spontaneous. Sahaja Gopir Prem Nahe Kabu Kam. Sahaja Prem. Eh? Spontaneous love. In this material world, some also material, this is spontaneous love or not? I like parents. Parents, they have spontaneous love with their own children. Huh? And especially mother's love is what? Spontaneous with her baby. And father's love sometimes changeable. Huh? But mother's love with her children is spontaneous. Huh?
The mercy of the Vaishnavas towards the Jivas, is it also spontaneous?
Spontaneous love and affection. Eh? But according to the surrender also, Jiva. How much is surrender? Huh?
Depends on the. Yeah.
Surrender. Without surrender, how possible? Because you are Jiva Tattva. And Krishna is Bhagavad Tattva. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also, Je jathamang prapaddante stang tadyo bhajamam. According to surrender, then I love you. Our gopis, according to gopis, what is saying? Eh? No parahang nirbadang sangjung sadhu kripta bhavudha sapiva jama durja griya srinkhala sangbrischa pratijatu sadhu. Eh? Because gopis, they absolutely surrender to Krishna. Huh? Actually, when you deeply analyze, everything is what depends on your surrender. For this reason, Krishna says, hey gopis, I serve your lotus feet at like the age of Brahma. I will never repay from your debts. Eh? Gopi preme aponake kahe rini. Bhagavate gopi preme aponake kahe rini. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna says to Gopi, especially Srimati Radhika. Actually, this verse Krishna recited for Srimati Radhika. No parayam nirvaddham samjayam, this verse. Eh? Because you unpointed with me and you have to, everything also gave up everything for me. Eh? Understand this? Krishna told, I cannot give up everything. Eh? Krishna cannot give up Eh? Any his devotee. A small devotee to higher devotee, Krishna love to everybody. So I already told you. Krishna's prem and many focus in the eh? Our gopis, their love and affection with Krishna. One point. Eh? Understand? Brihad Bhagavatam and Sanatana Goswami very nicely and elaborately also explain this. Eh? Guru will be never one-pointed with his one disciple. If Guru one-pointed with his one disciple, that time Guru, he will be the derails of his Gurutva. Gurutva, understand? Position of his Guru.
You get attached.
Understand? That is what is yeah? Sissa, what is called? Sissa, Chaitanya Charitamrita basically. That is also quoted from Haribhakti Vilas. Understand? Hari Shishya Anubandhanam. If his disciple completely control his Guru, that time Guru loses his position. Gurutva. Or he will lose. You read this. Shishanu Anubandhanam. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this all. Guru never took that thing. But in Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna saying this. They are completely what? Indebted of your divine love. So Bhagavate Gopi Preme Apona ke kahe Rini. Gopi Preme Rini. This time you understand? These are things. Follow Vrindavan Yari. Ratha Yatra means this. And so many kathas, Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Then finally Krishna told, okay, I will go Vrindavan. Just I have some duty and responsibility in Dwarkapuri. I will kill some demons, then I will come in. In this way Krishna pacified to the gopis. Then time when Krishna, gopis are very simple always. But he saying, okay, we are saying we are coming. So gopis, they took Krishna in their Manorathena. Chodi gopir Manorathe. Man mate Nam Dhare Madana Mohan. Krishna now he is going to Vrindavan in the chariot of the gopis. Gopis heart. So saying the Chodi Gopir Manorathe. You understand? Read Chaitanya Chaitanya. Chodi Gopir Manorathe Manmate Nam Dhare Madana Mohan. Actual gopis they bring to Krishna in their Manoratha, chariot of his mind, of their mind. Or Chodi Gopir Manorathe Manmate Nam Dhare Madana Mohan. Krishna name is called Madan Mohan. So in this way, Ratha Yatra means how gopis they bring to Krishna, Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Actually, this is the significance. And one is called Sthula Vichar, or one is called Sukshma Vichar. Sthula Vichar means what? And Sthula means gross. External, okay, Krishna is going Vrindavan, Kurukshetra to Vrindavan in the chariot, gopi they are following this. This is true. This is the external. Or internal, gopi they bring to Krishna in their Manorath. And the chariot of mind. Manorath. So the Chodi Gopir Manorathe, Manmate नाम धरे मदन मोहन. Read Chaitanya Charitamrita. So the gopis are thinking now Krishna is going Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Krishna already told, yeah, I have to go back to Dwarkapuri. Krishna told me, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Very many Yadavas are there, they are complete, they are what is called insecure. Many demons, they disturb to them. So I have some duty and responsibility, this. So Krishna told, soon I am coming. Soon coming. So Krishna is coming. This is their faith. So Gopi, they also thinking that Krishna is coming. I am going to Krishna. But here is also deep analyze, they think this is Sanak Samhita explained. Who met with Krishna in Dwarkapuri? Who is Gopi? There are many questions coming. So the actual origin Srimati Radhika, that is called daughter of Vishwanurandini Srimati Radhika. She will never separate from Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Jatra Jatra Radha. Jatra Jatra Krishna Tatra Tatra Radha. Jatra Jatra Radha Tatra Tatra Krishna. This is Vishwanurandini Krishna. Nandanandan Krishna. You understand? Nandanandan Krishna, Jasodanandan Krishna, always he is staying in Vrindavan. What the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Balabhacharya. Krishna namer bahubakha kobu nahi suni, Jasodanandan sam sundar eimatra jani. This is the mood of Lord Chaitanya. Jasodanandan sam sundar. Is Krishna, origin Krishna, Jasodanandan and Samasundar. His two names. So Mahaprabhu told, Krishna namer bahubakha kobu nahi suni, Jasodanandan sam sundar eimatra jani. Those who are Gyanis, they explain many explanation of holy names. Okay, that's good. But Mahaprabhu is saying, only Krishna is called Jasodanandan or Shyamasundar. The two names is enough. Krishna two name is enough, Mahaprabhu saying. Krishna namer bahubakha kobu nahi suni, Jasodanandan sam sundar eimatra jani. Vrindavanam parityajam padamekam na gacchati. Krishna told, I never go out one step from Vrindavan. Always I am staying in Vrindavan. So Krishna staying in Vrindavan. So the daughter of Vishwabhanu Maharaj, Srimati Radhika, always staying in Vrindavan. That's sometimes visible, sometimes invisible. Murta and Amurta. But this is. So origin Srimati Radhika, she always in Vrindavan with Krishna. Origin Vrindavan, Krishna, that is called Dhir Lalitana. Understand these things. Janmadasya jatana adhitakasya vigasya. This was many slokas evident. Our Srimati Radhika, two expansion, one is called Sangyogini Radha, another is called Viyogini Radha. Sangyogini Radha, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. That time this conversation is coming on this way. Understand many things. Our Viyogini Radha, she was in Uddhav Kyari, felt pang of separation from Krishna. And that is called Brahmar Gita as also there. So this is Malavinnavan Vihari. Many conclusion reading Srimad Bhagavatam. Ratha Yatra means actual Ratha Yatra, this part is called the whole heart of Srimad Bhagavatam and the whole heart of Chaitanya Charitamrita. All things is there. You read Ratha Yatra Prasanga, everything is there. Srimad Bhagavatam is there. You can imagine. How is this Katha? Many kinds of gopis, how and the many kinds of their mood also there. This is the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela. And 14th chapter, 11th chapter to, I think 14th chapter and 15th chapter. And the Ratha Yatra Prasanga is going on this. Many kinds of gopis, especially Srimati Radhika's mood was there. And 360 types of gopis and their mood is also explained. Keva Bama, Dakkhinna, all this mood is there. But mainly mood is what? Bhamma Bhav, Bama mood. Bama means left wings mood. Prem, contradictory mood. Bhamma Bhav is very important. Because Gopi's mood, that is called Parakya Bhav, Paramur mood. Or while the Paramur mood, the prominent that things is that called Bhamma Bhav. Paramur mood. Understand? And because where the Paramur mood, Parakya Bhav, four things are very important. Four weapons they control to Krishna. Bhammata. That is called, first is called Bhammata, Nivaranata, Prachana Kamukata, or Sudurlabhata. Durlabhata. These are the four powerful weapons of the Parakya Gopi Bhav. Understand? So Gopi's Bhamma Bhav is important. But this Bhamma Bhav, this is a very strong. The means this way. Gopi, how the Gopi, the Krishna told, I am not last person. So nonsense, rascal. Where the Gopi's prem, where is yours? Nothing. Look at this. Very nice video, Katha. You read Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam. Immense. Sanatana, without reading Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam, you cannot understand what is the Gopis' prem and Lakshmi's prem and Satyabhama's prem and Srimati Radhika's prem. Understand? Yesterday I told Lakshmi, that is not the man, that is called his word. Krodh, anger, you there. Krodh. Krodh or man, not same thing. Krodh for your own sense gratification. Understand? Lakshmi, why Lakshmi is angry with Krishna? Why? And she is not qualified. If anybody is not qualified, so how possible to say, oh, you are qualified? Tell to me. You don't know how to drive the aeroplane, and you think I will do. Are you part of train? If I have no training, nothing, I will fly to the crash. First to get the qualification. This is a true wrong. Lakshmi, which has no disqualification. Lakshmi Abhiman. Lakshmi Abhiman. So saying Abhimanam Pariptajam Prakito Vapuradisu. Are give up your Abhiman. Abhiman is a false echo. But Lakshmi she did not want to have. So for Krishna did not allow to her to enter residence. Lakshmi chahe Lakshmi dehe rase praveshite. So how possible you enter residence with the Lakshmi body? Krishna Gop Jati, Gopi Bina Anya Nakare Angikar. Krishna says, I am Gop dynasty. I born in Gop dynasty. I accept only those who are Gopi dynasty. I will take birth in the Gopis womb. You understand? But Lakshmi Devi does not want. To learn how to cutting the cow dung, how to milking the cows, how to speak brush words. You don't know one thing. So, hey, Bhagavan. So saying this, very nice katha. But she is very angry. Mahaprabhu asked to Sardam Samudra. Why Krishna did not take Lakshmi Devi with him? He took Baladev and Subhadra. Why not Lakshmi Devi? She is not qualified. If anybody not qualified, how possible give that position? Tell to me. This is too wrong. First, you give that the position, he is qualified or unqualified. Lakshmi, she has no qualification of enter Ras dance. Huh? You don't know how to dance. I do this. Only you are shaking your body. You did not learn from Bharatanatyam, nothing. And speculate. Many people are this there, pretending, speculating. Hey, pagal. I learn, okay. You can dance, okay, you can sing. But you have to fast.
Right.
Huh?
Learn.
Learn or not? Understand? Those who are dancing, they have many years, they are also practicing. Eh? Understand this? But no practice, nothing. Sometimes also devotees are doing dancing. Or Gurudev, I want to dance this Ras dance. Okay, we say the back is saying, don't know this. She is looking. Who is saying right hand, left hand. Sometimes you also cannot do this. Huh? If you dance, learn or not? I understand. Without learning, how possible? Without train, you cannot do anything. Even you go to Vrindavan, before going to Vrindavan, Prakatila gopis, they will also train to you everything. Palla dasi kari lalita sundari. Palla dasi kari lalita sundari. हमारे लैया कवे सिराधिका पदे काले मिलाइवे आज्ञा सेवा समर्पिवे श्री रूप मंजरी पदे संगीत सेवा. I learned everything from Rupa Manjari. I learned from Visakha Devi, different Gopi. They will give the as you learn, or they will always send to you. Now only direct to send to Golok Vrindavan. Everybody want to go? Direct flight. Good or not?
Many connections.
Okay. This is true or wrong?
Yes.
So I saying this. Lakshmi Devi actually so saying this. Lakshmi chahe, Lakshmi dehe, rase pravesh kare. Lakshmi Devi she want is Lakshmi born want to enter Ras dance. How possible? Are you take gopi form? Not only gopi form also.
Your name.
Your name, Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela, and Ekadas, 11th, Mood, and Panchadasa, 5 stages also. Prabandasa, Smarandasa, Apandasa, Bhavandasa, and Prema Sampati Das. Sahaji, they don't want to listen. But they only give the name, but listen. What is your name? This Manjari. What is your Manjari? Pakoda Manjari, Rasgulla Manjari, Jalebi Manjari, Manjari. Okay, chalo. Large. Good or not? Which Manjari are you? Rasgulla Manjari, Pakoda Manjari, Jalebi Manjari.
You say, man. You give. I don't know, but you know.
When you do bhajan sadhan, then without bhajan sadhan, nothing. Chalo, bolo Vrindavan.
Pega o microfone dele. Wise Matyatika and the gopis didn't go to meet Krishna in Mathura, Dwarka. They just went to Kurukshetra.
Actually, Kurukshetra, this is called what is called? Individual place. Nirapeksha sthan. Though Kurukshetra is called a part of Dwarka, but that place is called also neutral place. Neutral place. You can meet with your friends. Which place will you do to like? Neutral place. Eh? Or Dwarka, Kurukshetra, Kurukshetra, what is his name? Mathura. Mathura, that is the place of all these are the opulence mood is there also. Eh? Mathura, that is the Kubja is there. Eh? And also different kalpas. Also Krishna married Rukmini, that is Brihat Baman Puran also explained. Any kalpa of Krishna also married to Rukmini in Mathura. I am not giving the name. Eh? So that place there the queens are there also there. Eh? So if Gopi would go there, then their mind will be disturbed. Eh? You have to meet your one friend or three, one neutral place, then you can express your sentiments bhav. Solitary place, need or not? Immediately in this material world, lover and beloved, they meet in where? In their house or in the neutral place? Follow? Neutral place. Eh? Understand this? Same in this Kurukshetra, that place actually neutral place. Eh? So for this regard, they are coming also there. Eh? Though these gopis are the extension of Srimati Radhika, eh? But they coming in where? In Kurukshetra. And Mathura, that place is called not neutral place. You know, this is the main thing. Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad is saying this Mathura, and that is the Mathura Ramani, there is different mode there, opulence mode. And they are others, their activities also. And if you say, okay, gopis are thinking maybe Krishna will come back, then we will go. He will not come back, then we will go. Actually, this is not the truth. Actually, they can meet with some person with a lover and beloved, and at which place? Neutral.
It's a pilgrimage place, like Kurukshetra is a pilgrimage place.
Mathura also pilgrimage place. You cannot say this.
Yes. What is news?
Seven moksha daika sthan.
Okay.
Mathura, Kasi, Kanchi, Dharavati, and Kurukshetra.
Because it's neutral.
This is also these are also pilgrimage place. That is not the subject. Subject is there, Kurukshetra, that is called neutral. Everybody is so they are coming this way. And origin Srimati Radhika, origin gopis, only or the origin Brijavasi, they did not come. All their expansion come. Prakash Vigraha, they are saying coming. And they met with Krishna. But in Srimad Bhagavatam, these things not saying, but just explain to this, because everybody not understand. They are Prakash Vigraha. Everybody not understand. Their expansion power. These are things also. So for this regard, gopis, they met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. Rathayatra means then Krishna gopis, they also brought to Krishna Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Actually, how did they bring to Vrindavan? Actually, Krishna physically he did not come Kurukshetra to listen. Krishna physically did not come Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Because this his words, yeah, I am coming soon. You think? So for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Chori Gopir Mano Rathe, Mon Mathe, Mon Mathe, Nam Dhare, Mother Mohan. Krishna told, soon I come. I have some duty and responsibilities in Dwarkapuri. Jadavs, they are completely, what is called, unprotected. So I have to do this duty, then I am coming soon. I am coming, this word very important for the gopis. So gopis are thinking, Krishna is coming with us. So this is the Manorath. So Chori Gopir Manorath. Then Krishna is going to Vrindavan in the chariot, the mind of the gopis. This is saying this. Follow Vrindavan.